She's just spotted me. And now watch what happens. I've got them lining up. See what she does. She goes straight over and says, "Auntie's over there." Points over. His auntie's filming us. Now what they should do is go off and tell the huntsman. Which one's going to go and tell the huntsman? He's now sloping off. And here we hear the huntsman to our right in the woods. It'll be interesting to see what he does when he knows we're around.
Well, he knows we're here.
He knows we're here, but it'd be interesting to see what he does because he's very nervous of what's going on here.
Oh,
Ralph. Here he comes with Ralph in there now. Look. Ralph doesn't know we're here, I don't think, but he's on the phone.
Cool.
So somebody's phoned him, look. He's checking his message.
Yeah, Ralph's on the phone.
Yeah.
He's back to us.
Time here is 7:17.
7:17. Hunt was at 6. Meat was at 6. Spear Hill.
I think you're hunting 5 days a week, cub hunting.
What's that?
You're cub hunting 5 days a week now?
Trail hunting 5 days a week, so I'm
5 days?
Sorry?
Oh, it is 5 days then.
trail hunting.
5 days a week?
Trail hunting, thank you.
Yeah, you lay the trail in the dark, do you?
Sorry?
You lay the trail in the dark.
That's what we do.
Amazing how you do it in the dark and in thick undergrowth, isn't it?
Yeah, we use a stick. We've done our research.
Must be using a torch, are you? Time 7:30. As soon as we turn up, Ralph's decided to call it a day.